Measured move. Tatama tayo dun sa almost all-time high, yung measured move nito kung tutuloy itong inverted head and shoulders na to sa Bitcoin price. So, kailangan po syempre i-break yung neckline which is around nasa 43.5 plus minus. Alright, yung area po na yan. Pero ako ultimately, I want to see a breakout sa 45K eh. Alright? Baka mauntog pa kasi sa 45. So, I want to see a clear breakout sa 45K and probably matutuloy yung inverted head and shoulders. Ngayon, kung on the downside, para ma-invalidate po ito pagka na-break tong pala yung left shoulder. Okay? 40,500. Okay? If we break the 40,500 or sabihin mo ng 40,000 plus minus, invalidated yung inverted head and shoulders natin. Balik ulit tayo sa support at near 38K. Yung dribble yan. So, observe lang yung galaw dyan. Ano? So, if you're trading this, maybe your swing trading, you're using patterns, I don't know kung ano yung gamit nyo, you're using practical charting, no, mga titos and titas, obvious naman sa daily, eh. Kung spotter ka rito, yung cloud ng tipay, that's your guide. Just wait for some confluences. Kasi kung spot, puro long lang naman eh. Support po yan, yung cloud ng tipay na yan.